Let's getting started for our adsorption lab. The first part of the adsorption lab, you have to make the dilution. I give you 1 normal of acetic acid, okay, which is just the vinegar. 1 normal of acetic acid here, and I would like you to dilute down to several concentration. Let's come back here. I would like you to go to the concentration of 0.8, 0.4, 0.2, 0.1, 0.5, and 0.025 normal right here. Okay, you have to do the calculation first. I have 2 pages of the calculation here. The stock solution of acetic acid that I give it to you, 1 normal. Then if you want the final concentration of 0.8, okay, you're gonna have 2 sides. The first side is the side of the initial or stock concentration. That what you unknown is how much of the stock concentration or stock solution that I give it to you that you have to bring, okay. And then the stock concentration of the stock concentration is 1 normal. Okay, which is this 1 normal, which is 1 normal of the guy right over here that I give it to you. Then after that, the final concentration, okay, you want it 0.8, you want it 0.8 right over here, okay. Then the final volume, you pick how much you want. In this case, I give it to you that we need at least 100, okay. So you're gonna set both sides concentration initial multiplied by volume initial. It have to be equal to the final concentration 0.8 that you want and the final volume that you want. 0.8 final concentration or target concentration, 100 milliliter is your final concentration, final volume that you want. Initial concentration of the target or not the target of the stock solution is 1 normal. I give it to you right over here, 1 normal, 1 normal. How much you have to transfer my stock solution to make the final concentration of 0.8 that I want. So this one you taking care of this. You have to go get 80 milliliter of your final of your initial of stock solution here, okay. And the rest 100 subtract 80 here, you're gonna get the volume of the water. Let me show you this one. So target concentration multiplied by volume, final volume that you want, divide by initial concentration, okay. You do them all. This one your new target, this one is your new target concentration, okay. Then toward the end, you're gonna go get each volume 80, 40, 20, 10, okay, of 1 normal acetic acid, okay. The final volume that you have to put it in to get the total volume of 100. When you have the stock solution of 100, and then your target volume is 100, so 100 subtract 80, you get 20. That 120 is the volume of the water that you have to add, okay. Now go back to our experiment right over here. I setting up everything already. This one is my stock solution. I put my stock solution in here. I did the calculation before. So in this, for the first tube, the first target concentration is 0.8 normal. The second target concentration 0.4 normal, 0.2 normal, 0.1 normal, 0.05 normal, and 0.0025 normal. Okay. Now you did the calculation, and then from here you get 80, 40, 20. If you want the final concentration of 0.8, you need 80 of 1 normal. So I put 80 milliliter into here. I put 40 of 1 normal into here. I pipette, okay, not pipette them all, getting ready for you already. And then this container we call volumetric flask is a flask that we use to do the dilution because it's very accurate. And the volume to all of them here, they are all identical, 100 milliliters, okay. I have the solution 1 normal of the acetic acid into each of them already. What I have to do next, I have to add the water into here, okay. I'm gonna have a small line right over here, okay. You're gonna add the water until the level of the solution go up until here, okay.